Hey guys, it's Jade here from the Beauty Sisters. Today's video is going to be another unboxing video. This time is with some Japanese candy. I've got over 70 pieces here, some kits, and heaps others. I've never actually tried Japanese candy before, so I'm pretty excited to give it a try. I've heard lots of good things about it, and it seems all pretty cute. So I've got about 20 to 30 different kits, as well as just random pieces of candy, drinks, and savoury things. Some I have no idea what they are, like this one has an octopus on it. Okay, so the first kit I have is this one here. It looks like just like a fast food kind of one, burgers and chips and a drink. Then we have this one. It's meant to be pretty easy. It's just like soft candy that you mold. Then this one just looks pretty cute. Then there's this one here, which is like cakes and ice cream, it looks like. Then we've got sushi. Then donuts, which I'm pretty excited about. So cute. And pizza. Looks like pizza potato bites and a drink. Then I don't know what most of these ones are. I think they're just like smaller kits. There's also a cake one, I think. It's like you make your own chocolate. But I could be wrong. Okay. Gummy candy. And heaps more. Just random things. Some savouries, whatever this is, and that. So guys, I hope you liked that video. If you wanted to see any other videos of us making the candy or review videos on any of the products you see, just let us know in the comment section and we will do that. As well, if you like the video, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment any other things that you wanted done.